you're gonna can't. I mean, come on. I mean, what are these guys doing? And is this dumbass still in that rock? I know he is. That's why I'm creeping around there. Look at him. I don't know what to do. Why? And I hate to say it, Treyarch looks like they brought it back, but I don't think it's to the extent. I mean, I heard you can only use. Look at this. I mean, I throw that fucking bitch grenade because it's supposed to stun that thing like it stuns a person, and then I'm able to be able to swing on it and then kill it and get it out of there. But it doesn't work. It doesn't fucking work. I mean, come on. But like I say, I don't think Treyarch took it to the extent that it finally worked.
I had this fucking thing on my computer. I downloaded it about a month ago when I was looking for the editing program. It came with this fucking editing program. I think it's called Blinky Box, Blinkety Beat, whatever. Every time I'm rendering a video, it pops up on the fucking screen and destroys my render, and it goes back, and I can't do it. When I'm on YouTube uploading the video, it does it. What the fuck? I want to get rid of the thing, so I uninstalled the motherfucker, right? Thinking that would solve all my problems, but no. It's still on here. It is still on this motherfucker. And the reason, another thing too, the reason I haven't made no videos in the last couple of days is my power pack is all fucked up. I was talking to Solar Rev last night, and he gave me the idea the power pack's fucked up. I got to wiggle the cord to make it work. So I couldn't get this motherfucker on for like 3 or 4 fucking days. Now I might go out and buy a new PC today, because this motherfucker here, fucking piece of shit, I'm fucking pissed. Look, it shut off already. It fucking shut off already. The fucking power cord. Motherfucker, pick that shit up. And I don't want to drop $400 or $500 on a new PC when I just need a power cord. But that's why I haven't been putting no fucking videos up. Because the goddamn, I need these computers to commentate videos. I need that shit. And I need that fucking camera to hook up to this computer so I can upload it. Sure, I can do it from the fucking iPhone, but I just don't want to do it that way. It takes too fucking long. Pick this shit up. Get that set up for me now. What? What? Huh? Pick it up! So, don't fucking look at me. Put your fucking head down now. To make a long story short, does anyone know anything on how to I uninstalled the fucking program. How do I get that damn thing off my computer? Because it's fucking my rendering up. And it's pissing me the fuck off. That's why I haven't had a chance to put no fucking beastly commentaries up. And we all know I am the most acclaimed YouTube commentator out here. I don't camp, I don't set claymores up because I ain't a little bitch. I have nuts. I have balls. What the fuck? Motherfucker kids! Motherfucker! Yeah, let me do it this way. I have nuts, I have balls. You'll never see me playing claymores, will you now? So anyway, anyone got any suggestions? But I'm gonna try and get this shit working today. Hopefully I can get this fucking video up. If anyone knows what the problem is, how do I uninstall shit? Maybe I need a new fucking chair now, too. Maybe I need a new goddamn chair. I seen the one on the semi-goddamn temper tantrum. What are you fucking trying for, you little bitch? You know what? You're fired. Get the fuck out of here. The fucking camera guy's crying like a little bitch. Give me that fucking thing. What the fuck's wrong with you? I just fucking slapped you in the head, you little bitch. It fucking hurt. What the fuck? What the fuck?